I want to teach you one last thing when it comes to lists, and it's called list unpacking. And it's a really, really nice feature. I really like it. With list unpacking, we can do something like this. Let's say I have a list that is, well, very simple, 1, 2, and 3. And I want to assign a variable to this list. Let's call it basket equals 1, 2, 3. But what if I wanted to assign a variable to each item? Well, I can actually do something like this, A, B, C. So that when I print A, and then let's print B, and then print C, and I click run, I get 1, 2, 3. And this is something that we've seen when we talked about variables, where even if it wasn't a list, as long as we gave it by comma, separated by comma, different values, we're able to print 1, 2, 3. But this is where list unpacking gets really, really useful. We can actually, let's say, extend our list to include all the way till 9. What if we wanted to unpack 1, 2, and 3, but keep everything else still in a list? Could we still do that? Well, with list unpacking, we can. All we need to do is say comma and then add a star and give it a variable name, whatever we like. Let's say other. So now if I print other and I click run, look at that. I'm able to unpack my list however way I want. What if I add a comma here and add D? Well, if I run this, I get a list all the way until 8, but now D is, well, actually, the very last item. So that's very, very neat. Maybe the use case right now is not absolutely clear to you, but this is something that might help you, another tool in your toolbox, to unpack a list and change a list in different ways. We'll explore this more later on in this course. But for now, list unpacking. When you hear that word, now you know what it means. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.